Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if product images are not showing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. So if you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com right here. And from here, this is going to open up the main page where at the left side of the screen, we can find the plugin section. And from the plugin section, we can access all the WooCommerce plugins we have set up and are using for our store. So let's go and take a look at what to do if product images are not showing up for our store. So what you're going to do is go ahead and open up any article like this one right here on featured media plugin on WooCommerce featured images not showing and how to fix it. So basically, usually this can cause it by plugin conflicts or some theme issues. You have multiple options as well that you can go and check out right here that might be causing it, but usually it's something of this. So what you're going to do, the most often solution is to go ahead and open up your plugins and disable them all. After that, you're going to enable them one by one. And once you go ahead and get the problem again, and the last plugin that you have enabled is going to be the one that is causing the problem. So go ahead and disable all your plugins and then turn them one by one and check which one is causing the problem. What I also suggest for you to do is to go ahead and contact customer support. You can contact customer support of WordPress, explain what the problem is, that the images are not showing up, and they are going to go and be able to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.